Let's show you how mined RFID and Inlay. Firstly, designing antenna according to the customer's requirements. Secondly, using laser engraving machine to carve out the antenna. Let's show you how the carved antenna looks. Then, put the antenna on the binding machine to bind the chip and hot press. Finally, a complete dry inlay is finished.
Wenn du mich fragst, wo's am schönsten war.
Just wait, we can't forget the most important step, performance testing. Put the inlay on warranted performance to check whether the label's performance is up to standard. Passing the inlay performance test means that a new dry inlay design is fully completed. Here are some of the inlays we have put into mass production. There is M letters in each inlay which stand for our company mind. It's widely applied in vehicles, archives, medical, logistics. Mind can offer OEM service to meet your demands.